This is 8.
Did you buy an 8, did you?
It can't, no, I had it when I bought my other one.
Oh, it came with a G'day, how you going? Ted was here. Look, look. Ted was here. Bit of paw print.
Waiting. Hey Graham.
Right.
Never come to Ikea during Christmas and New Year's.
Lots of people, lots of screaming kids.
Never again.
We escaped! We escaped Ikea!
About bloody time we got out of there. I reckon all the kids should be sent to school.
Oh, so annoying, screaming and stuff.
Never again during school holidays. I'm staying home.
That's right.
Hey Graham, I got the bag camera. You just got a lame iPhone.
I got that bag. I got the camera in my bag. But I'm going to put this. I recorded on here so I can actually upload it to my Facebook straight away.
Who uploads videos to Facebook? I upload them to YouTube.
I haven't set it up on here yet.
Nah, YouTube's better.
Oh, it's because I haven't set it up. Finally, I've escaped Ikea! Yay!
He's an iPhone whore.
Have a look at that. Ikea. I've escaped. I've escaped Ikea.
God, Graham's an iPhone whore.
I know, I am, aren't I? And an app whore. A YouTube whore, a Facebook whore, a Twitter whore.
I nearly took that phone off him before because he wouldn't put it down and come and look at stuff. See, he's back to it again.
I'm just looking at it before I upload it. Video. Right. Email to my Facebook account.
God, it's a pain in the butt to get to the Ikea Mega Centre. You think they would have a direct bus from the Hyperdome very often than by every hour during the middle of the day? It really annoys me. I really don't understand why they do that out here. It's like one of the major shopping complexes for Logan City. So that's funny. Look at this. People are too lazy to wait for the bus. It's quicker to get cheaper to get a bus, I should say. And time it right, bus comes. We got out with about 13 minutes to spare or so. I can't remember what time it's going to come. Never again I go shopping with Graham.
Why?
But then again, he was all the time going back to the cafeteria to get the free hot chocolates. What comes with your family membership card.
You told me you're going back to the dining room, right? And
I did.
The cafe.
I did not. I said dining department. I didn't.
I thought you meant cafe.
If I said cafeteria, then I would have said it.
Be more clear.
It's called a cafeteria. It's not a diner.
Well, you should have been clear. Right?
It's a cafeteria, Graham. Ooh, money. Let's steal it.
One bar. Right, and sometimes it doesn't even pick up that. I can move him in different positions. His doesn't change. He's still 3 bars. And mine is just 1. How pathetic is that?
iPhone whore. He stole my iPhone.
I'm comparing yours to mine. This generation 4 one is stuffed. I'm going to complain to the
Okay, I gotta make sure.
So Michelle will ask you for a password.
Huh? No, it's their private one.
Oh, it's their private one.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Hey, Graham.
How do you know it's their private one?
If it's locked, it's private. Sometimes it will come up with a password, enter a password page if you click on it.
Yeah, I just thought it said there's a password. So I'm ready to play the job shop. Hey, Alex. Be there in a second.